First graders, happy Monday. Today we are going to be reading a book called What is a Pal? I'm going to read it to you first, so just watch the screen for now. Here is the story, What is a Pal? This story is informational text because it will have real photos of real kids. You will also find lots of these blue words in the story. Let's read them and go over them a few times together. The first word is play. These pals like to play in the park. Play. The next word is be. They like to be on the same team. Be. The next word is and. The children share the paper and paint. The next word is help. These pals help each other wash the dog. The next word is with. The boy was in a show with his pals. The next word is you. I like when you play this game with me. Here are all the words in one big list. Play, be, and, help, with, you. Pause the video and see if you can read that list on your own. This week, we will be focusing on main idea. That's our target skill. A target skill is something we can practice to think about the story a little deeper. Main idea is what the story is mostly about. So after I read this, let's think in our heads, what was that story mostly about? So that we can practice finding the main idea. What is a Pal? Written and photographed by Nina Cruz. Here is a picture of Nina. Just follow along and watch the screen. A pal can help you. Sam and Nat can help Dan. Pause the video and see if you can read those 2 pages by yourself. A pal can play with you. Tad, Cam, and Nan can play. Pause the video and see if you can read those 2 pages. Remember, Tad, Cam, and Nan. Those are tricky names. Here's Tad, here's Cam, and here's Nan. A pal can be a pet. A pal can be Dad. Pause the video and see if you can read those 2 pages by yourself. A pal can be with you. A pal is fun to be with. Pause the video and see if you can read those 2 pages all by yourself. Are you a pal? Let's think. What was the main idea? I think this story was mostly about how to be a good friend and who can be a friend. Look, we used a target skill for the first time. Your next job is to get this Journey's Green book out if you have it with you. Turn to page 14 and see if you can read that same book, What is a Pal, as many times as you can by yourself. If you need help from an adult, ask for help. Then, when you're ready, record yourself reading that story from page 14 until the very last page. Are you a pal? When you have finished, submit on Seesaw. Have a great Monday.